My goal today is to extend a calendar in Scoreboard. I've already logged in and have landed at my home page. To extend a calendar, I must first select Settings in the bottom left. From the Settings menu, I'll then select Calendars under Configuration. In the Calendar section, I can see that I currently have one custom calendar at the bottom, named Fiscal Years, along with 3 traditional calendars, monthly, quarterly, and yearly. Those 3 are all based on the traditional calendar that begins on January 1st and ends on December 31st. If I were to click on each and scroll down, and I'll just pick on yearly, I'll see that it ends in 2024. Monthly ends in April 2024, and quarterly ends in Q2 2024. If I wanted to extend a calendar, I would simply click on the one I wanted to change, and I'll click on monthly. And in the far right here, select Extend Calendar. I would then need to pick the month, year, and date that I wanted to extend the calendar to. In this case, I'll select May of 2024 and then select the 31st. Lastly, I would select Extend. The process to extend quarterly and yearly calendars is exactly the same, so I'll leave those two as is. I can see that the process for extending a standard calendar is fairly easy. I just need to select the calendar, select Extend Calendar, pick a date that I want to extend it to, and then select Extend. However, in regard to custom calendars, there's a little more work involved since the system does not know how to automatically extend something like a fiscal calendar, which can vary from company to company. To give an example of that, I'll select the fiscal year's custom calendar, and I see that this calendar only contains one period, which is for fiscal year 2019. And it runs from October 1st, 2018 through September 30th, 2019. If I wanted to add a period for 2020, I would select Add Period in the far right. I would give it a title like Fiscal Year 2020. I would pick a start date of October 1st, 2019 and an end date of September 30th, 2020. That looking good, I would then select Add Period. With that, I've shown how to extend both traditional and custom calendars. To see the fruits of my labor, I'll select Scorecards, and then within Mobile World, I'll work off of the Mobile World Balance Scorecard. I see in the upper right, it is showing a monthly calendar display. After the change I made earlier to the monthly calendar, I should be able to select up to May 2024, but not anything beyond that. To prove that out, I'll start by selecting 2024, and then from the month drop-down, I see I only have January through May accessible to me. June through December is not an option. If I were to switch to the fiscal years calendar, I should have the ability to pick between 2 years, fiscal year 2019 and fiscal year 2020, the latter of which I just added earlier.